Ever wondered what's the buzz about kombucha? Well, let's delve into the fascinating phenomenon that is kombucha. This unique beverage has a rich history, with its roots traced back to East Asia over 2,000 years ago. It was known as the tea of immortality in ancient times, a testament to the revered status it held. Fast forward to the present day, and kombucha has taken the Western world by storm, becoming a staple in health food stores and cafes. But what exactly is kombucha? At its core, kombucha is a sweetened tea that undergoes fermentation by a symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast. A mouthful, we know, but that's what gives kombucha its distinct flavor and effervescence. And here's a fun fact. Each batch of kombucha starts with a SCOBY, that's short for symbiotic colony of bacteria and yeast, which is responsible for the fermentation process. So kombucha is not just a trendy drink, but a beverage with a rich history and unique brewing process. But what's in it for you? Why should you drink kombucha? Well, kombucha is a rich source of probiotics, those beneficial microorganisms that help balance your gut flora. And a balanced gut can lead to improved digestion. Ever felt bloated or uncomfortable after a meal? Kombucha could help with that. Kombucha is also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often the body's response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health conditions. So, sipping on kombucha might just help keep inflammation in check. And let's not forget about weight management. While kombucha isn't a silver bullet for weight loss, its probiotic content may help regulate your metabolism, potentially aiding in weight control. It's important to remember, though, that while many people swear by the health benefits of kombucha, more research is needed to fully understand its impact on our health. While it's not a magic potion, kombucha does offer potential health perks that make it worth a try. Intrigued by kombucha? Why not brew your own at home? This magical fizzy brew is surprisingly simple to make. It all starts with a SCOBY, an acronym for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. This little powerhouse is the heart of your kombucha, transforming sweetened tea into a tangy, effervescent elixir. Making kombucha requires a few basic ingredients: tea, sugar, water, and of course, your SCOBY. You'll also need a glass jar, a breathable cover, and a little patience. The fermentation process can take anywhere from a week to 10 days, depending on the temperature and the strength you prefer. But the fun doesn't stop here. Feel free to experiment with different types of tea: green, black, white, oolong. They all lend their unique flavors to the brew. And why not add a twist? A dash of ginger, a hint of berry. The possibilities are endless. Kombucha brewing is an art, a science, and a fun experiment all rolled into one. So why not give it a shot?